Most people think cooking and cleaning are two different jobs. But what if I told you that you can clean your entire kitchen without even realizing you're cleaning? Yes! With a few sneaky habits, your kitchen will stay spotless while your food cooks itself. No extra effort, no extra time, and definitely no stressful cleanup at the end. This guide will show you how to turn cooking time into effortless cleaning time. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss smart home hacks like this. Why clean while you cook? Cleaning while cooking sounds complicated, but it's actually the fastest, least stressful way to maintain a tidy kitchen. Instead of waiting until the end, when dirty dishes, spills, and greasy pans pile up, you use the natural downtime in your cooking process. Whenever something is simmering, baking, boiling, marinating, or resting, you can turn those minutes into small, powerful cleaning moments. These tiny bursts add up, saving you effort, time, and frustration later on. Step 1. Make a pre-cooking cleaning setup. Before you begin cooking, set yourself up for sneaky cleaning success. Create a simple micro-cleaning station. Keep a damp microfiber cloth, a dry cloth, a small bowl of soapy water, and a counter spray right next to you. When all your tools are within arm's reach, wiping and tidying becomes automatic rather than a chore. Also, clear your sink before cooking. An empty sink encourages immediate dish rinsing and prevents overwhelming mess later. Step 2. Clean while chopping and prepping. Chopping vegetables? Waiting for the pan to heat up? These are perfect micro-cleaning moments. As you finish prepping each ingredient, toss scraps straight into a bowl or compost bin. Wipe your cutting board the second you finish with it. Put spices and containers away the moment you're done using them. This prevents clutter buildup and keeps your workspace visually clean and mentally calm, making the cooking process smoother and more enjoyable. Step 3. Use heat time as cleaning time. As your food begins cooking, you get small windows of downtime. 30 seconds here, 1 minute there. Use these intentionally. While onions are sautéing, wipe nearby splatters. When pasta is boiling, rinse knives and bowls. When something is simmering, load a few dishes into the dishwasher. You're not interrupting your cooking. You're using the natural pauses that happen anyway. This habit alone can reduce cleanup time by more than half. Step 4. The 1-minute reset rule. Every time you need to wait for a step, like flipping food, stirring, checking doneness, do a 1-minute reset. Pick one small cleaning action per pause. It can be wiping the stove surface, clearing a cutting board, straightening spice bottles, or rinsing utensils. These small resets prevent mess from piling up and keep your cooking area organized and efficient. Step 5. Tackle spills immediately. One of the biggest sneaky cleaning secrets is dealing with spills the second they happen. Fresh spills wipe away effortlessly. Dried spills require scrubbing. Keep a microfiber cloth on standby and wipe spills instantly. Whether it's sauce, oil, or water, cleaning immediately means less effort, fewer stains, and a much cleaner kitchen overall. The same applies to grease splatters. Wipe them before they cool and harden. Step 6. Wash as you go. Smart dish strategy. Instead of letting dishes pile up, rinse each one right after you finish using it. Hot, fresh food residue dissolves easily, while dried food becomes a stubborn cleaning nightmare. Place small bowls, cups, and utensils straight into the dishwasher. If you don't have a dishwasher, soak them in a bowl of warm, soapy water while cooking. They'll wash up in seconds later. This keeps your sink from overflowing and your kitchen from feeling chaotic. Step 7. Keep counters clear with the touch once method. The touch once rule means whatever you pick up, you put away immediately after using. Touch it once, use it, return it. This avoids clutter piles from forming on your counters. Use this rule with spices, condiments, utensils, and pantry items. Start using these today, and you'll never look at kitchen cleanup the same way. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment Sneaky Clean below. Click the link in the description box below to join our free community where we offer informative articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more. I post smart home, cleaning and organizing hacks several times per week to make your life easier.